So hi everyone, my name is Hakim. So in this video I'm gonna to show you how to set up Multi-Factor Authenticator in the Filevine. So before we jump into the setup, it's also worth to know that why this MFA matter. So your Fiverr account contain sensitive info, case, document and communication that you need to stay secure. So if someone discover your password, MFA had an extra protection to your account by requesting second verification step before access your account. So it only take a few minutes to set it up, but it can physically reduce the risk of the unauthorized access and to protect your firm data. So now I will share my screen and I will guide you step by step on how to set it up. Now let me share my screen. So firstly, you will go to your account settings. So this is my account manager. So you will now navigate to security. So you can change your password here, but this one I haven't set it up. So this is Authentication app and this is the Google Authentication app, and I can also set up my email test. But first of all, I've already set up my Google Authentication app. So they say that verify identity, you send code to your email. So they've already sent a code to my email. Let me go and check it. So that is the code that is sent to me. So I'm gonna verify it. See that? So now I can ready setup. So now this is it. I'll now use my authenticating app on my phone. I'll use my phone for the authentication app. So if you don't have authentication app on your phone, you can go to Play Store, Apple Store, Galaxy Store, or any kind of type of phone you are using, and you can get your own Google Authentication app. So I have scanned it and they have prompted me out the code. Just know that the code usually expires in I think 13 seconds on the Google Authentication app. So they will give you a new code after 30 seconds. So I set up my authentication app, and for the text message also, you just have to enter your phone number and you send the text to your number, and that's all. So thank you for joining the call. Meet you in the next video. God bless you.